Let's study about operators in Java now. So as the name suggests, operators are used to perform some operation. So operation is performed on variables or the values which is stored in those variables. Okay. So there are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, then there is logical, there is comparison operators. So, we are going to talk about all this now. So arithmetic operators are used basically to do the arithmetic operations like plus, minus, then there is multiplication, division, modulus, and increment, decrement. All these operation comes under arithmetic operators. Okay. So this is plus operator which is used to add to numbers or add to values stored in the variables. Okay. Then there is minus which is used for subtraction. Then there is this multiplication, there is division, there is modulus, and increment and decrement. Okay, increment increase the value of the variable by 1, decrement decrease the value of the variable by 1. Like if the x is equal to 1, then x plus plus will be 2. I got it. You got it, I guess. And then comes is the assignment operator. Assignment operator is used to assign some value to a variable. Okay, so equals to assigns a value to a variable. When I say x equal to 5, equal to is my assignment operator and x is my variable and 5 is my value. So equal to operator assigns the value to a variable. Then plus equal to, this plus equal to is equivalent to, like if I say x plus equal to 5, it is nothing but x equal to x plus 5. I think you got it. You will understand this when I go to Eclipse and show these things to you. Minus equal to is equivalent to, if I say x minus equal to 5, it is equivalent to x equal to x minus 5. Okay. Then comes is the comparison operator. And comparison operator, as the name suggests, is compares two values. Okay. That is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. I'll just go to my notepad so that. Let's say x stores 5 and y stores 6. Okay. So if I check now, if I want to check whether x equal to 5, x equal to 5. So it will, sorry, x equal to y. So it will check whether 5 is equal to 6 and it will return true or false accordingly. It will return false for it this case. Then if I check x not equal to y, whether 5 is not equal to y, yes, true. So it will return true. Then x is greater than, it will check whether 5 is greater than 6. No, it will return false. It will check x less than y. X less than y means 5 is less than 6. It is true. So in like this you have to use this comparison operator to compare two values or compare two variables. Variables in the sense it will compare the values which are stored in those variables. I think you understood this comparison. Next comes is the logical operator. Logical operator, there are mainly three operators: and, or, and not. So and logical operators basically used when you want to combine two or more statements. So in that case, I'll just go to my notepad and let's say this x less than 5 is my first statement, and second statement, let me say x not equal to y. So first statement is x less than y, that is 5 less than 6, and second statement is x, that is 5 not equal to 6, and in between I'll add and operator. So it will check whether first statement is true. Yes, the first statement is true. And it will check whether the second statement is true. Yes, second statement is true. So and returns true only when both statements are true. So this first has to return true and this second also has to return true. Then this will return true. If let me say, if I say first statement as x greater than y. So x is 5, y is 6. So this returns false. First statement returns false as this is not a true statement. And second statement is still true. But and will return true only when both the statements are true. So overall operation returns false. I think you understood and operator. Now let's say you want to check or. As the name suggests or, it will return true only if one of the statement is true, it will return true. Both the statements are true, then also it will return true. So the same example, if x is greater than y, so it returns false and second statement returns true. But there is or operator now. And as I said, if one of the statement is true, the overall statement return true. Okay. And if both the statements are true, then also it will return true. If first statement is true, second statement false, it will return true. If first statement false, second statement true, as this, then it will return true. It will return false only when both are false. At that time only it will return false. Rest all cases it returns true. And not is like let me say uh, the statement is x less than 5 and I want to do the not operation on this. Okay. So what it will do, first it will calculate the value for this statement. The value for this statement is false because sorry because the value is true because 5 is less than 6. The value returns true, but I want to do not of this true, so it will just revert. If true is there, it will return false. If the statement is false, it will return true. Not of this statement. The statement returns true means the overall operation returns false. If the statement returns false means not of false is true. I think you got it. And or and not operators. Now let me just go to Eclipse and show one or two examples to you. So I'll just remove all this. I'll just comment these things, okay? And we can have two variables, int x equal to 5, and I'll take one more variable as here only I can declare y equal to 6. Okay, so these are my two variables. I can just do x equal z int z. I'll declare int z, and that z is nothing but x plus y. So z stores the value x plus y, and when I sys out, oh yes, wait a second. Okay, system.out.println of z, this will return the addition of this x plus y. Okay, I'll just run this. So this operation returns 11, that is 5 plus 6. And this is pretty much straightforward as I believe. And let me just say x plus equal to 5. This is equal to or equivalent to x equal to x plus 5. So my value of x right now is 5, and it will add one more 5 in that. And now when I sys out this, I mean when I print this, it will return 10. That is let me just run this. Yes, 10 and 11. So this is a assignment operator which I have used over here. This is a arithmetic operator. Okay. And logical and comparison we will use when we study about the if statement and all, because right now you won't understand that. So for now you just understand this basic operations of plus, minus and all these arithmetic and assignment operators. Logical and comparison examples I'll give at that time when I teach you if statement. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.